Introducing the MyPolokwane Citizen app. How to report a water fault. Click on the water icon. Confirm water-related issues. Select the issue from the menu. Type a description of the issue. Upload a photo of the fault. Fill out the address of the issue. Optionally, you can add a landmark for service providers to easily identify the location. Click on Submit. You have successfully submitted your issue. To view status updates on your reported faults, scroll to the bottom of your home screen. The Mayoral Executive Portal. Sign into the dashboard. The dashboard displays an overview of total reports, active emergencies, resolution rate, average response time, and area issues. Reports can easily be viewed by location on the map. The pop-up info box provides convenient insights into reports, along with their current resolution status. Department Analytics. An overview of all department reports can be viewed in one central location: water services, electricity, roads and transport, waste management, emergency services, parks and recreation, and game management. Area Insights conveniently assists by recommending when maintenance of infrastructure is required. The Ward Councillor Portal. Log into the Ward Councillor Portal. The dashboard displays total reports, active emergencies, resolution rate, and area issues. The map displays total reports for the ward by department in a convenient color-coded system. By scrolling down, insights into department performance can be viewed as active cases, completed cases, and performance as a percentage value. The MyPolokwane Citizen app. Your city, your power, your app.